about your ultimate guide to medical schemes in South Africa. So just tell me a little bit about that, because it's going to be such an exciting interview.
I'm looking forward to it, David. Thanks a lot for the opportunity. The ultimate guide to medical schemes, what we basically try to do is educate people, guide people, educate them, and help them to protect themselves. We give them certain tips. We give them more than 50 tips. We explain more than 70 terminologies that we use in our industry that confuses people. So basically what we want to do is we want to empower people to use their medical scheme efficiently. By doing that, you don't need to always upgrade. You can just use your medical scheme efficiently. You don't need to change to another medical scheme. You can just use your medical scheme efficiently. And that's what I'm going to try and explain and do that actually assist you to have a happy experience with your medical scheme.
Fantastic. Well, he will tell you all about how to use your medical scheme correctly. Thank you.